The effects of abrasion in nature can be spectacular. The 1-mile deep gorge that is the Grand Canyon resulted from 4 billion years of the abrasiveness of sand, gravel, and mud sculpting patterns into the earth. This same principle is present today in a wide range of industrial and manufacturing processes, with results more destructive than awe-inspiring. Equipment failure, downtime. Abrasion is capable of halting production lines and shutting down power plants, costing millions of dollars in lost revenue. One company has drawn on its experience, committed its resources to significantly reduce the costly effects of conveying abrasive solids. That company is Clyde Bergemann Delta Ducon. Clyde Bergemann Delta Ducon, located near Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, is a leading designer and supplier of pneumatic conveying systems and components. We have continually expanded and refined our technological experience since the early 1930s, while developing a unique product line geared toward the handling of abrasive materials. We strive to meet the diverse needs of a global client base. The company's foremost accomplishment is the design and manufacture of the Permaflow Extreme Feeder. The Permaflow Extreme Feeder is the only feeder on the market with a rotor and inlet wear shoe constructed of a special alloy called Permalloy B33. This material is a chrome nickel iron alloy, producing a hardness of 550 Mernel. The material is solid, not just a surface hardening that can wear off to expose softer metal underneath. Production of a Permaflow Extreme Feeder begins with the receipt of an order. A set of customized drawings is prepared to meet the specifications of the system into which the feeder will be installed. Rough castings are poured at the foundry and shipped to our manufacturing facility. Castings must then pass several thorough quality control inspections, including a hardness test, to ensure that a nominal 550 Mernel hardness is maintained. The castings are then rough ground and re-inspected prior to the finished grind. Because of its extreme hardness, special grinding equipment is required in order to machine this alloy to the exact tolerances demanded. For example, an 18-inch inlet shoe entails a total of 14 days of grinding, 24 hours a day. During the finished grind, the rotor and shoe are precisely ground to a tolerance of only a few thousandths of an inch. With grinding complete, the rotor and shoe are then assembled in the housing. The Permaflow Extreme Feeder can be fitted with a wide variety of accessories, such as zero-speed switches, auto-reversing controls, variable speed drive units, air purge packages, and vent hoppers. Every feeder goes through a final critical clearance setting check. A feeler gauge is used to ensure that the gap between the rotor and shoe meets strict engineering specifications. The frequent quality inspections and the extended production time involved in manufacturing the Permalloy 33 rotor and inlet shoe are integral to maintaining our rigid quality standards. The result is an extraordinary rotary feeder that offsets its initial investment and proves to be highly cost-effective by reducing downtime and increasing component longevity. After final inspection, the Permaflow Extreme Feeder is ready for shipment, on-site installation, and years of dependable service. In today's market, rotary feeders are used primarily as metering devices, rotating pockets within a housing transferring material at a regulated flow rate. The rotary feeder is driven by a gear motor through a chain and sprocket drive. This flow can be adjusted by altering the speed of the rotating pockets. When used in pneumatic conveying systems, rotary feeders provide an airlock seal as well as a metering function. This airlock seal is created via close machine tolerance between the rotor and the inlet wear shoe. The Clyde Bergemann Delta Ducon Permaflow Extreme Feeder has many exceptional features that set it apart from other feeders. The heavy-duty shaft is supported by self-aligning roller bearings placed outboard, allowing the unit to handle higher temperatures. Air purge connections are provided at the shaft area. When necessary, sealing air is introduced to reduce the possibility of dusting at the shaft seals. A large dropout area is created by the design of the housing, producing even flow from the unit. Additionally, The heavy-duty construction of the Permaflow Extreme Feeder enables the unit to withstand high differential pressures of up to 25 pounds per square inch. Unlike many rotary feeders that rely on the housing to provide a seal, the inlet wear shoe on the Permaflow Extreme Feeder model provides the necessary seal, eliminating wear on the housing. When minor wear does occur, the feeder can easily be field adjusted back to factory settings. Over time, as wear continues, the inlet wear shoe and rotor can be replaced using common tools in place into the existing housing. Maintenance costs are reduced by replacing only worn parts rather than the entire unit. Yet another built-in value of our Permaflow Extreme Feeder is the closed-end rotor. This design effectively confines abrasive materials within a rotor, inhibiting wear on the housing and end covers, and most importantly, the packing. The Permaflow Extreme Feeder, with its superior design and features, has enabled Clyde, Bergemann, Ducon to develop conveying systems for specialized applications, such as our patented systems for fuel, sorbent, and flux injection into boilers and furnaces. Additionally, we offer a comprehensive line of materials handling products and systems, including a large parts inventory to speed replacements to our customers. All equipment is proficiently engineered to meet or exceed industry standards. Clyde, Bergemann, Ducon manufactures Permaflow abrasion-resistant pipe and fittings, material handling valves and diverter valves, sphere valves, flow proportioners, blower packages, and dry con bed ash handling systems. Exceptionally durable materials, outstanding design and engineering capabilities, a greater understanding of customer demands. These are the attributes that have turned a high percentage of our customers into repeat customers, and it's been our experience that they continue to return for additional equipment, not for frequent replacements of worn parts. The benefits of our Permaflow Extreme Feeders go beyond 550 Burnell hardness, beyond a design that resists wear and enhances smooth flow of product, and beyond reducing downtime with in-place adjustments. We welcome the most challenging conveying requirements. At Clyde, Bergemann, Ducon, we are as tough as our product line about your long-term satisfaction.